Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do that from drawing to model exercise in Onshape. And this might look like a surface model, but it isn't. Because Onshape is still lacking proper surface tools, I had to do it in a different way. And I did it quite quick and dirty. So this is more like a how you could do it than you should do it. But enjoy anyway. Let's have fun with Onshape. So let's start with a sketch on the top plane. I need circles, so I go for a circle, and the first one should have a diameter of 50. The next one should have a diameter of 102. Next one should have a diameter of 108. Next one 112. Next one 120. And the last one 132. Let's arrange those values a little bit so it's easier to see. Maybe like that. Put this one over here, that one there, and this one just outside that circle. Now some lines. I need one line which goes straight through that point. Let's see if I snapped. Yes, I did. Another line which goes over here. Another one which starts here, goes like this, and another one like that. No. Let's try to select the small one, yeah, and like that. Give it some dimensions. This should be 35, and that one should be 45. Let's trim at least these two here. Okay, then another line which goes like that, coincident onto this circle, and then something like this to that one. Add dimensions, so this should be 17.6, and that length here, this one, should be 61.9. Let's trim. Like that, yes. This could be trimmed. That could be trimmed. And these as well. And I need one more line which starts here, goes to this circle, and the angle should be 30 degrees. And I can use this sketch because I will do it with solids. That's kind of interesting, but it will work. So let's finish this, and I want to use two planes just in case. So I need one with a distance of 13 and another one with a distance of 19 and one for limitations up there with 20. And now I can begin to model. So let's take a look at our drawing. I've just sketched 1/2 of the part because in the end I want to mirror it. So I did this circle, this one, that one, this one and that one. And I did all those lines in order to make the cutouts. And yeah, I forgot this one, so I will do this one as well, that small one here. So let's switch back to our model. Therefore I need another sketch, now on the right plane on this one. And I will need, yeah, I could have trimmed this one, so let's close that one, go to the first sketch and trim. I missed that one and this one. That's more like it. So confirm, do our second sketch on the right plane. I want to use this point here, so let's bring it into our sketch. Then draw a construction line here in that direction, and this should end on that plane, so go for coincident like this and draw another rectangle here, and this should be 1.5 by 2. Now let's do 2 fillets, and one would be here, and this should be not 5 but 0.75, and another one again 0.75, and confirm. And that's it. Now I have all my sketches. Let's begin with the extrude, but I want to start on this plane here, so I will do another sketch, or yeah, I can do it from the top plane, doesn't matter. So go for, I want to have a solid, and you can select all those areas and do an extrude. Confirm. Now let's make this extrude up to our limiting plane, so go for up to face to this face. Confirm. Now let's split this one with that plane here. Keep the tools, yes, and split once more. Split this one with the second plane. Keep the tools and confirm. Let's hide this one and that one. Okay, now I can do another extrude if I make my sketch visible. So it's for another extrude, make it a new body, or I could already add it. So I could add it to this one, but merge scope would be in this case with all. So this should be extruded. No, I can leave this. Yeah, let's do it like that. Select all those areas like that, and this could go up to our limiting plane, and then I could of course split it. But in this case I want to go up to that face here, this one. Is that the correct one? Yeah, it is. So let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. Why? Did I miss something? No, it should work. So let's deactivate that merge with all. Up to face would be this face. And it doesn't work. That's interesting. New. That doesn't work. That's very interesting. Why? Because it should. This one. Now it does. Like that. Then select this one, that one, and this one. I see that's the problem. Or is it? No, it works. So it should go up to that face. Maybe I missed one at the first. So this should be deleted. Okay, now I want to add a draft, and this should go a little bit to the other side as well. So make this one second end position, make it maybe 5. That should do, and confirm. Now add a draft. So this would be the draft, and the neutral plane would be this face or that plane. And I want to draft this face, and I need it to be 40 degrees, and confirm. Yes, now I want to extrude this here. So I want to hide that part. That's part 3. I want to make another extrude now with this area and that area, and again it could go up to our limiting plane, this one. That's okay, and confirm. I will need an offset surface, so I bring back my part 3, and I want to have an offset surface of this one here. So let's see, we got offset surface. I want to offset this surface, but not in this direction, the other direction, with 2 millimeter, and confirm. Let's hide that part, this part. Now that extrude should go to the other side as well, so go for a second end position and make it maybe 10, just in case. Then I need to extend that surface, so go for move boundary, select that edge, and maybe add, maybe 5 should do. Yeah, this will do. It's sort of, so let's go for 10, doesn't really matter, and confirm. Okay, now I want to split this body, so go for split that part here with this one, and I might need it, so I will keep the tools and confirm. Hide that body here and hide the surface. Now let's add some fillets with 0.5 on this edge and that edge here. Confirm, go for more, select this edge here, again 0.5 millimeter, and confirm. Let's bring back our part 3. And now I should be able to subtract this one from that one. So go for Boolean, go for subtract. Tool would be this one. I might need it, but I don't think so. And that would be the target, and confirm. And hide this part, and of course, yeah. Now I need to split here. I will need another surface. I will need a surface with that arc here. So go for an extrude, go for a surface, select this arc here, and make it a second end position as well. Let's go for 10. And the first one could go up to our limiting plane. And confirm. And then I can split. So go for a split. I want to split this part with that surface. Confirm. And of course I want to hide this part. And that's okay, but something is wrong because I want to limit it like that. So what's wrong? Maybe I should have brought this more in that direction. So that would be the first extrude, not the first one, sorry, but the second one. This one. This should go maybe 10 millimeter down. Let's take a look. That's more like it. Yeah. Okay. Now I could add a fillet here and a fillet there. So go for a fillet here, go for 0.5 on this one, confirm. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't want a chamfer, I wanted a fillet. 0.5 on this edge. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I could add this one and that one and this one up there, but I will do this in the end. So let's go for 1 millimeter up here and 5 millimeters here. Confirm. I will do that fillet later on. So now for this part here, which has to be removed. So I want to use another extrude. I could hide that for the moment, that part, and go for another extrude. And I want to extrude this area, that area, this one, this one, this one, and that one. And make it up to our limiting plane. That would be that one. And confirm. Now I need another sketch on the right plane. Let's hide. No, I don't need to hide. I need that part 5. Yeah. And of course this should go to the other direction, so that extrude here, the last one, should also go into the second direction, and maybe with 10 millimeters. Or I could go for 10 millimeters is okay. Now I need those edges, therefore I want to subtract this one from that one. So go for Boolean, go for subtract, and this will be the tool and I will need it, so keep tools, and the target would be this solid and confirm, which means if I hide that one, I've got this gap here. Okay. And I need a sketch here, I need a sketch here. Okay, so go for the sketch, right, and go there and hide that part. I need that point here, so go for this one like that. Then draw a line, and the first one should be like this and then like that. And I need those points. I need this point, that point, this one, and that one. So go and select the point, the point, the point, and I don't need this one, so I want to draw lines for construction from this point straight up. Another one. This should go here to this point, but that line should be, of course, vertical, and it should be for construction. Like that, and another line again for construction, yes, from this one up to that one. Let's trim and add. So this should be parallel, no, not, this should look, so where is it? So this one, oh, that's just a line, so I don't need it. So let's go for dimensions. So this one and that one should be 10 degrees, and this one and that one should be 30 degrees. And confirm and close that sketch. And now I want to make a revolve surface, so go for revolve, select those two edges, and the revolve axis would be the X of that cylinder, so I can use this one, and I want to go for 90 degrees in one direction and 90 degrees Okay, let's bring back our part 7, and I want to split that part, so go for split. I want to split this part with that surface here, and I think I don't need it anymore, so I won't keep the tools and confirm. And now hide that one here like that. Yes, and then I will need another extrude here with that line, so go for another extrude surface with that line here, and this could go up to our limiting plane. That would be this one. No, not this one, but that one, and confirm. And now I want to split this body here, split this one with that surface, and I think I don't need it anymore, so I could confirm. Okay, and I think I can hide all those planes, so let's go and hide all planes. And I think I can hide at least that first sketch as well. Now I want to create a plane through 3 points, and I want to use this point here, that point here, and that point there. Confirm. And now I could split this body here with that tool and confirm, and I could hide that part here. Now the problem is I will get a small gap here, so in order to close that gap, again I will do it quick and dirty. So let's hide that plane and hide part 9 and hide part 8. I want to revolve that face. It's possible to go for revolve this face around that axis, not full to one direction, the other way around, and maybe 5 or 2 degrees would do, and confirm. Now if I bring back my part 9, no, it's part 10, no, it was part 9, sorry, and part 8, I suppose, yes, there is no gap there anymore, and then I should be able to make a union and make the fillets here. So let's go for a Boolean operation, make a union. I want this one, that one, and this one to be joined together, and confirm. Now I can do a 1mm fillet on this edge here, confirm, another one 1mm on this edge here, and then another one on that edge here, not 5 but 1mm, and confirm. Okay, so let's go for the shell, and shell, and let's go for 0.05, because I tried a low value here with this model and it didn't work out in the end. I couldn't do the fillet here. Kind of strange, but it is like it is. So I want to remove this face, that face, this one, of course that one, and this one. This looks okay, so confirm. Now I want to fillet here, so go for a fillet and let's try 1 millimeter, and I want to fillet this edge here. Yes, that works. Okay, and then I would go for another fillet here with 1.05. Let's take a look. Looks okay. Yeah, it's limited. And that seems to have moved this up, and that's no good. So I have to do this later. I have to do that extrude first. And let's remove this one here and confirm. Now I should be able to do that fillet. So go for that edge here and make it 1.05 and confirm. Yeah, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. No, I have to mirror it, sorry. Let's go for a mirror. I want to mirror this part with the right plane with this one. And okay. And now I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. It would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to next new series. Bye bye.